So let's go to events. Let's say add new event. And let's name our event. For example, this event is titled like that. And the details of um your event. So this is a event with ticket prices. So let's see here the events calendar, time and date. So I'm gonna start it on February 24. Yeah, February 24 to February 24 because this is a 1 day event. Let's say this is gonna happen at 12 p.m. EST. Okay, the venue. So let's add a venue here. So if you don't have any venue, just go to add another venue in here. So I will check both of this because I want Google to show the um venue. And then I'm gonna leave it like this, but if you want, you can add your own organizer. And then let's say I'm gonna add a new ticket. So let's give it a name, ticket, as simple as that. So it's gonna end on February 24 and it's gonna end on 12 p.m. EST 64. Ticket price is 8.64. I'm gonna set this as unlimited capacity. But if you have a set capacity per tickets, you can add them in here, but I want it to be unlimited. Advance, I'm gonna leave it as that. Require individual attend the election. So um I want to get their name and their email, but you can choose your own field here. But this is my selections, and I'm gonna say save ticket. Ticket is saved in here, and let's hit publish. Okay, there you go. That is how you add a tickets in the event section.